Hey everybody, Johan Magnuson here, Big Sweet Barbecue, and I'm here today to talk about the direct flame insert and how to use it correctly in the direct flame mode on the Memphis wood fire grill. Before you start the grill, you want to make sure that you have pellets in the hopper, that the grill is plugged in. Also, as a good practice, you should make sure that the burn pot is clean before you operate the grill. To do this, you move the grates aside, and if you have the Elite, you only need to remove the middle grate, then remove the easy access insert from the flavorizer using the Genie tool. Replace the grates, close the hood, then start the grill. You want to set the temperature to 400 degrees and let the grill reach that temperature. And you know that when the grill temperature matches the set temperature on the ITC control board. The reason why we preheat the grill is to get it warm, get the grates hot, and create a really good ember bed. This will help sear the meat and get better results when you're cooking with direct flame. Once the grill has reached 400 degrees, you want to scroll up to the grill's highest temperature. After we scrolled up to the maximum temperature, it's time to take the finger off the up arrow and then hit the up arrow again to enter the direct flames mode. My recommendations on the settings is to go maximum when you just want to sear something very, very quickly. If you want to give things a really good sear but you don't want to burn it, my recommendation is to go with the minimum or the medium settings. They will give you plenty of heat. Now when the grill is set up, we're going to remove the easy access insert from the flavorizer and place it somewhere safe because it will be really hot. Replace the easy access insert with the direct flame insert. The reason why you want to preheat the grill to 400 degrees is that you will create a nice ember bed like we talked about, but it will also help get a nice, strong, robust direct flame. Replace the cooking grates, and now we're ready to cook over a direct flame. Now, two things to consider when we're cooking direct flame. Number one, the hood should always be open. And number two, we need to ensure that we actually cook in direct flame mode. In the direct flame modes, the temperature sensor is bypassed. So in this mode, the grill is not looking for a set temperature. It's important to note that you should never cook with the direct flame insert in place with a set temperature on the ITC. It should always be on low, medium, or max. And when you're finished cooking, turn the grill off, close the hood, and let the grill go through its cool down mode. And once the grill completes the cool down cycle, unplug the grill. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to use the direct flame insert in the direct flame mode on your Memphis wood fire grill. For more information on how to safely operate and maintain your grill, go to Memphis Wood Fire Grill's website, www.memphisgrills.com. I'm Johan Magnuson. I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy grilling.